In today's segment, I'll be discussing about aldol condensation and cross-aldol condensation. Actually, aldol condensation is found to be a simple concept. Let us see what happens in this aldol condensation reaction. Aldol condensation involves condensation between two aldehyde molecules or two ketone molecules containing alpha hydrogen atom in presence of dilute alkali. During this reaction, what happens? The alpha carbon atom of one aldehyde molecule joins with the carbonyl carbon of the other molecule. The product is found to be a beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. Beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. This on heating gives alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or ketone. Here what happens when you heat this? It loses a water molecule. This loses a water molecule. Therefore, we are having this compound CH3, CH double bond CH, CHO, which is nothing but butylenol. This is the aldol condensation product. This is the aldol. Why the name aldol? Because two functional groups are present. Aldehyde as well as alcoholic groups are present. That's why the name aldol. Let's see one more example of aldol condensation where two ketone molecules are involved. Here we are having two molecules of propanone which reacts with BaOH twice to give the ketol, that is 4-hydroxy 4-methyl pentane 2-one. What happens? This ketol on heating loses a water molecule to give 4-methyl pent 3-in 2-one. This is the aldol condensation product. Here this loses water molecules like this. So this is aldol condensation, which is found to be very simple in nature. No need to memorize, just understand, you will be able to write this reaction. Now let us discuss about cross-aldol condensation. When aldol condensation is carried out between two different aldehydes or two different ketones, then it is known as cross-aldol condensation. If both of them contain alpha hydrogen atom, if both the aldehydes they contain alpha hydrogen atom, then four products will be getting a mixture of four products. And let us see that here if you see ethanol and propanol, both of them they are having alpha hydrogen atom, so we'll be getting a mixture of four products. How we are getting these four products? Let us see that now. Here if you see we are having two products and two more products over here. How we are getting all these four products? Let us discuss. Here first two products, let us discuss about these first two products. These are known as simple or self-aldol products. These are known as simple or self-aldol products. How we are getting this butylenol and then 2-methyl-pent-2-enol? How we are getting this? Here it was written that from two molecules of ethanol, CH3, CH double bond CH, CHO. Your normal aldol condensation. I will show you how you are getting this CH3, CH double bond CH, CHO. No need to memorize the aldol products. You can easily learn and write. CH3, CH double bond CH, CHO is obtained when two molecules of ethanol is treated with dilute NaOH. You will be getting CH3, CH, CH2, CHO, which loses a water molecule on heating to give this butylenol product. And then that is propanol. When it is treated with dilute NaOH, you will be getting this product, that is CH3, CH2, CHOH, CH2, CH2, CHO, which on heating loses a water molecule to give this 2-methyl-pent-2-enol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms. That's why pent. 2-enol. That is aldehyde Al. 2-en means second carbon atom. We are having the double bond. So this is how we are getting butylenol and then 2-methyl-pent-2-enol. And next two products of cross-aldol condensation, that is we are getting 2-methyl-butylenol and then pent-2-enol. How we are getting this? That is here itself it was written over here from one molecule of ethanol and one molecule of propanol. Let us see how we are getting this. Here CH3 CHO plus CH3 CH2 CHO gives CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH2, CHO, which loses a water molecule to give CH3, CH, double bond C, CH3, CHO. Here we are having CH3, CH, double bond CH, CH2, CHO. This CH2 and H joins together to form the methyl group. That's why we are writing double bond CH, double bond C, CH3, CHO. See the difference between these two products. How this happens? This is because here in this case CH3 CHO combines with CH3 CH2 CHO, whereas here CH3 CH2 CHO combines with CH3 CHO. So here we are having CH3 CH2 CHOH CH2 CHO, which loses a water molecule to give CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH CHO. This is how you are getting your cross-aldol products. This is your overall cross-aldol condensation reaction where you are having a mixture of 4 products. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how we have got that also we have discussed. This is how we are getting our cross-aldol products.